Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial series, we have been exploring Python programming. We know how to concatenate strings together. In this video, let's see how we can take user input and make some meaningful programs. We want users to be able to provide first name, last name, and age. For that, we can use inbuilt function input to take users' input from the console. So let's try it in the idle. Now let's type help input. We can see that it takes prompt as argument. So prompt is basically the text that will appear for the user and then they can type their input in the console. So let's try it. Input, enter your name, and you can see that it typed the prompt we provided. It's waiting for the input. If I enter tech programmer, then the function exits. We could also save this value in some variable. So let's save this value in name variable and let's print its value and we get back whatever we entered in the console. Let's create a simple program to take user's first name, last name, and age and then print some greeting message. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Let's start by taking user's first name, enter your first name, last name, enter your last name, and we take age from user. Print welcome first name, and on the second line we want to print it's great to have you on board. We know you are star, age years old. Now this kind of syntax looks a little bit weird. Here it was only 2 lines, but still we found it difficult to write. To avoid such problems, we have string format function. We can write something like this, print my name is, and in the format function you can provide the argument as first name. So whatever you provide as first argument will replace this placeholder 0. If you have 2 variables that you want to print, then you can use print my name is 0, 1, and then provide first name and last name as format method's argument. There is even better way to work with such variables using formatter string. We can write like this, print my name is first name, last name, and we get the same result. We will go a lot more in depth about formatter strings in one of our later videos.